Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do another unboxing video. And today I'm going to be unboxing for you all the new latest Apple phone, which is the beautiful iPhone 14 Pro Max. And my Boro Chachu gave this to my Baba. And P.S. My Baba has never got his own iPhone in his life. All the iPhones that he has were given by my Boro Chachu. So anyway, today we're going to be unboxing it. And for you guys, if you don't know how to unbox an iPhone, there are these two tabs on top and the bottom. You just have to pull here and then flip the phone and then remove, and then you can put on the screen cover, whatever. So yeah, so I'm gonna basically just pull this like this. A little bit of ASMR for you. And now we're gonna pull. There she is. Isn't she beautiful? And this is Baba's phone. He really likes it. Baba and Boro Chachu are both really excited about the phone. Baba can't wait. Baba already got the what's it called again?
The back cover.
The back cover and the screen protector and everything. Wow, look at this beautiful thing. Can I pull this?
Sure.
So look. Wow, look at that. That's such a beautiful phone. I'm trying to be really careful and not to drop this. And here is the charger, and the charger is back, whatever, here. And this is some card stuff. So yeah, anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And yeah, bye.